Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to change data transfer protocol on Bitdefender VPN. So first, go into the settings in the top right corner, then Advanced and Protocol. First option, WireGuard, newer protocol providing strong security and a high level of performance. Second option, VPN, OpenVPN, optimized for fast speeds and reliability. And the last one, IKE version 2, reliable, secure and efficient, but with reduced cross-platform compatibility. And of course we can use automatic. Let Bitdefender VPN select the optimal protocol for your device and network. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.